For more resources, please visit the website listed down at the bottom when discussing solutions. A solution is technically a mixture, so we'll first define what a mixture is, define what a heterogeneous mixture is, and a homogeneous mixture. Let's begin. A mixture is technically a physical blend of two or more substances. We have three examples, M&Ms, so therefore they are technically a mixture. Not commonly thought as a mixture, and to the right we have, there are also into their individual you can see different parts of the mixtures in the picture to the right. The picture to the right shows trail mix. I see nuts, I see pretzels, I see peanuts, I see rice puffs as well. There are several things blended that is uneven with more substances where the substances are evenly distributed. It looks the same throughout. The picture to the left has purple jelly beans and green jelly beans. Now, that picture is not a mixture. That is just one substance, but it gives us an idea. This is a physical blend of water and the food coloring. Mixture is a physical blend of two or more. Solution is technically a homogeneous mixture. It's where two or more things come together and you cannot see the difference. The picture on the right hand side have a beaker full of an example of a solution or a homogeneous mixture would be a solid dissolved in a liquid. For instance, the picture shows salt being dissolved in water. Powdered drinks are another example of homogeneous mixtures. Often, I don't see separate oxygen molecules or nitrogen molecules. They're all mixed together and appearing as one. Cavity fillings are another example of a homogeneous mixture, where mercury is mixed with gold and once again takes the appearance of just one thing. When we discuss solutions, there are two keywords, solute and solvent. The solute is the substance that is being dissolved. In the picture to the right, the salt will be the substance that is being dissolved in the water. Therefore, the salt is the solvent. Picture, salt is soluble in water. Because salt can dissolve in water is insoluble. Oil does not dissolve in water, it will separate and float to the top. Therefore, it is considered insoluble. An example of this would be rubbing alcohol and water, hydrogen peroxide and water. The picture to the right, though, shows something that is immiscible and water are examples of things that don't mix. The picture to the right shows a gasoline stain on a wet street. Now that we've identified key words in discussing solutions, let's apply our knowledge. Here's a situation. My kids have just made a solution without knowing it. They had a glass of water and added salt, sugar, and Cheerios. Please identify the solute and the solvent. Was it a homogeneous mixture? What would be needed to make it a homogeneous solution? Which solutes were soluble and which substances were insoluble? Number 2. Here's the next situation. I like to make salad dressing. In a squirt bottle, I mix olive oil, balsamic vinegar. I shake it up and it mixes, but then separates into layers. Please answer the following questions. The last application question. Your teacher wants to water down rubbing alcohol for use in lab. Is this a heterogeneous or a homogeneous mixture? And from your experience, are the two substances miscible and immiscible? This concludes this lesson. Thank you for joining.